It's worth noting that idiomatic power of expressing opinions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on academic and professional vocabulary. Today, we're going to explore a popular idiom used in academic writing. It is worth noting that this idiom is often used to draw attention to a specific point or idea that is important to understand. Let's dive right in. It is worth noting that is an idiomatic expression that writers use to emphasize an important point that the reader should pay attention to. It's a polite way of saying, "This point is important. Please, pay attention." Consider this example. It is worth noting that the study focused exclusively on adult participants. Here, the writer wants to highlight the fact that the study's findings may not be applicable to children or teenagers. Just like with any idiom, it's important to use. It is worth noting that correctly. Here are a few tips. Use this phrase to emphasize a point that is important for the reader to understand your argument or analysis. It's often used to introduce new, critical information or a fact that might be surprising to the reader. Avoid overusing it. The more you use it, the less impact it has. Remember, it's for emphasizing important points. Here's another example. While the overall results were positive, it's worth noting that a significant number of participants dropped out of the study early. Now, it's time for you to practice. Here's a task for you. Write down a paragraph on any topic you're familiar with. Then, identify a key point in your paragraph that you want to emphasize and introduce it using the phrase, "It's worth noting that." Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new vocabulary. And there you have it. That was a deep dive into the idiom. It is worth noting that. We hope you found this lesson helpful, and remember, in academic or professional writing, it's all about conveying your points clearly and effectively. So, don't forget to highlight the key points using our idiom of the day. Happy writing, and we'll see you in our next lesson.